there we go. Welded, filled, ready for the next rub down. Okay. So that's where we're at for today. 20 to 1. So time to pop over and see my mucker while that's all going off. Put that away, pack up. I could get on with some other bits, but you end up flitting here to there to there, and you know, I started the bulkhead, like one of the first things I did was the legs, and then turned out that this was all rotten, so I ended up replacing all of this. Yeah, and you know, it just actually I think I might mould them up. Oh no, they're meant to be there. And you end up flitting, and you just think, oh, you know, and then you come back to it, and there's nothing wrong with that. It's okay, I've got stuff to get on with the chassis, and I've got the axle to do and that, and I want to get off, but I can't do it tomorrow. Other stuff on. I can rub the filler down, refill again, get that all right, and then I'll give it a final rub down, and then it can be primed up. I'm just going to blast over the bare metal bits before I put it away, just to protect it. So that's it until the next time. So I might try and put this up later today if I get a chance to edit it. Not that I'm brilliant at editing it either, but I'll see what I can do. Yeah, so until the next time, thanks for watching. Don't forget, like, subscribe. Always subscribe. Subscribe's good. Just gets the video gets like sort of seen more, so just people get to see it in the algorithms that they run. So yeah, like would be great. Subscribe if you really could, and comment. You know, you want to comment about something, you think I'm doing a crap job, then let me know. It won't make any odds, but it'd be interesting to know how crappy you think it is. Likewise, if you think I'm doing okay, then yeah, please let me know. The driveway restoration lives another day. So, have a good one till the next time. Have a latest, bye bye.